Okay, he's trying to make the meeting.
Oh, okay.
So we should probably just kind of do our own stuff until he comes in, and I have a hard stop at 10 for me.
Oh,
So, but you guys can keep finishing the meeting without me.
yeah.
So is there something specific you wanted to talk to me about that doesn't need all three of us?
Okay.
Or anything you wanted to ask me?
Is that launching date?
The 26th July.
Yeah, okay. Actually, no more issues are there. It's working good.
Ah,
Yeah.
I know. I saw a little bit of that. I have been so very, very busy. So yeah, that's great. And then so on Monday's meeting, because Arun asked for when he and I talked before he left town, I had mentioned that there's some little things, right, that are on Jira and that I'm putting on Jira, and so we're going to talk about that on Monday. Okay. Oh, and Jaya, thank you for doing all the really good testing.
Now it's working fine for a gender balance test. Even though I have to do full testing again.
Okay.
We are keep on changing.
Yeah, I get it. Right.
Another thing I want to know for chatbot, some of the words are not working.
Okay. Yeah.
It's working for dating. It's not working for social sex. I have to.
You mean the chatbot for the question answers?
Yeah. Social sex is not working. Dating is giving correct answer.
Oh, you're talking about some of the words.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's ask Arun that, and maybe if you could work on that, that would be awesome. Because otherwise, if I had the time to, So because he ended up, putting it together himself rather than us using a third party. We're not using an outside widget, and we're just keep it together.
Yeah, it's an inbuilt widget we added.
Hi, Arun.
Hi, Lori. How are you?
Long time not talk.
Yeah, sorry. Right? I came from Tesla yesterday.
Of course. I'm just saying, I hope you had a great time.
Yeah. Busy week.
Sorry?
Busy week.
Not clear.
Do I see?
It was a busy week.
It was busy.
Yeah.
Oh, of course. You went to 2 cities.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I tried different things. I rented a Tesla and I tried a EV car.
That's awesome. That is awesome.
Yeah, my friend has a Chevrolet EV car. I tried that also. So maybe in the future I will buy a hybrid one.
That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah.
So Jaya is just showing me that some of the chatbot's not working.
Actually, Arun, I have given social sex. It's the generic answer only. It's giving, but for dating, it's giving.
Yeah, but those are the questions.
You can add some of.
You need to add it. No, that's what I created a backend, right? Like backend UI for Lori to update the answers. You can add the question and answers there. If social 6 is the word given, then you can give the response what you want there. You can add those question and answer there.
Okay. Why it's not working for? But here no dating is there, but for dating it's working perfectly. That's why I'm checking.
How many questions and answers
19 questions, I think.
are there? Can control F and check for dating. Thank you. 19 questions are there.
Yeah, 19.
Yeah, check once. Like how many questions and answers in any of the questions you have dating.
Yeah, second question is there, but I have given just one word, but it's not work. But it is working. Here I have given one word social 6. It's not working. I expect this answer, but it's not coming.
One word.
Yeah, we have any questions with social 6?
What is social 6 and how does it work?
So it's like similar to the dating question because it's just a chatbot, right? You can just add a question and to social 6 and answer. You can give some random and try once. It will work. If you add a question and answers, it will work.
And also, I expect social. Someone will type without any gap between social 6. So you can add that also. Because
Yeah,
I
that's
also
what I'm
tried
saying.
like
Anyone can add now the chatbot response. Yeah, it's in the backend UI. Like Lori can add any number of questions and then she can edit it whenever the answers want.
Which I have not done yet.
Yeah.
Because here, what is social 6? In between social and the 6, there is one gap. It will answer the question here. Social 6 is not responding to the question because some may.
Oh, because the social and the number 6 is together.
Yeah. We have to reframe questions there. We have to add more questions. At the
Right. Well, Arun, since it's just the back end, I mean, since it's, can Jaya add some questions and answers and stuff, or?
Yeah, we can add in any questions and answer. Anyone can add the questions and answer, but you need to verify and approve it, Lori, because it's at the end of the day, it's a business thing,
Right. Yeah.
That's the reason I didn't add any of the questions and answers.
Okay.
Again, it will come to your approval. So.
Yeah. So Jaya, maybe I know you're going to do the full testing again, but if you have time, maybe since you've been going over it and all that, if you can write down questions that are missing, that you think are missing. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then like that. And so, yeah, that would be helpful. And then I can, I guess then I answer them.
Okay, I will list what are the questions needed. You can choose from them.
Okay, that'd be great. Thank you. Who wants the floor? Arun?
Yeah, Lori.
Do you want? Oh, you guys don't know what that means. Okay.
No. I didn't do any much changes, so only the issues Jaya reported, I fixed to that.
Okay.
Right, but okay. So why don't you bring me up to date? Because I've been very, very busy, and I have not been very specifically reading what you guys, how it's been going. I do know that I guess it's fixed. So why don't you just give me the briefing on, so now the genders are working, that kind of thing? Go ahead.
Yeah. But already one user I have tested, no, that will not still. It's working the same like that only. But after that I added a new binary that and all it's showing new event. This one is locked. After that is everything working perfectly.
Did you remove the offer from that user
How to remove that offer?
from database only? Like backend only, you need to remove it
Oh,
because it's already showing as offer, right? We can't change it once the offer is shown. We can't change it until the event is getting cancelled. Or if we cancel the event, then it will automatically disappear.
you have to go to the super page and from there I have to change it to how.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't do that.
Because this is issue occurred before we fix the issue, right? So offer status was there. So even though we are trying to pull the new event, it will check for the offer state first, and then it will check for the new events.
Okay. So after that, I tried a lot of sequences. Everything come out good. It follows according to that rule only. After three males, three females, it will not add anything, and some other combination, four males and two females, and then three females, two males, and one binary. Everything is coming out good. The gender based.
Okay.
Other than that, male and all, some of the real scenario, I'm not able to test that one, like no shows, that and all, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, I think, because that cases, I will not test that one. After that, okay, this main thing is went on good. Other thing, I will check and let you know on Monday. Hopefully. Hopefully, one more time I need to test all these things. Up to now, it's
Yeah.
mm,
I prepared a test file. So if you check my colleagues and commits, I prepared a test file. It has 46 different test cases. So if I run the test file, it will be running like it will complete in 2 or 3 minutes all the scenarios.
okay. Okay, we'll
Yeah.
ship that test.
I added the test file and committed the changes also. So it will be in our code repo.
Next file. Okay, I will check by front or back end.
Backend. Front end, I didn't do any changes for this.
Okay. Not showing anything. Match in request. Any heading is there?
No, it will be a test script. You can find it. I couldn't able to recognize the name.
Okay, I will see.
I prepared 2 or 3 test files for different scenarios,
Okay.
like onboard. Like I think I prepared for onboarding and gender balance, and then the other bug you reported, right? Just display that on those things. All the scenarios I added in the same test files. 46 scenarios, and other test cases 8 scenarios, I guess.
Okay.
Instead of doing manually for 2 or 3 days, you can do it in 2 minutes.
Yeah. Otherwise, can you ping me afterwards if you find time? I will check on Saturday sometime and Sunday sometime. Do you remember the file name? Let me see.
Random.
Do you remember the file name?
Yeah, you are on the file, right? That's what I'm telling you, Jaya. It just test, right? Group capacity .js. That's the file name. It's the fourth file.
Sorry about that, guys. That was my son.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem, Nuri.
They get to an age of where they decide when they want to call you back.
Yeah, I was informing Jaya that I adopted the script file.
Okay.
So instead of you doing manually, it will automatically run. So I ran all the test cases, 46 scenarios. And for
Oh,
low
okay.
member cancellation, also I wrote a script. It has 8 test cases. So I added the new issues that non-binary scenario also in the same test case. So
Okay.
Just this full file is test case only.
yeah,
This is the only file, or I have to check.
no, whenever you are committing any changes, it will automatically run.
Okay.
So I ran it yesterday also when I commit the new changes. So and other file is in another commit. I saw that other file name is low member cancel because of the cancel logic we have, right? I wrote the script for that also.
Okay. Yeah, I'm. I will not commit. Going to commit anything, but how to run? Once I run the script, it will run.
It will show the result. It's like normal descriptive. You will run the JS scripts, right? The same way you need to run the command.
Okay. Yeah, I will try. Is there any other update do we have, Laurie?
I'm sorry.
I have done
Don't tell. Yeah.
your update. Do we have any update for Social 6?
Oh, you mean overall
Yeah.
update? Yeah. So, the event is still slow going, but that's, whether that's, I'm selling it as a standalone event. So it's not a reflection on Social 6 at all. So that's okay. We're still going to do it, but, the good news is that I'm starting to get a handle on Instagram again. I lost my person because she lives in Caracas, Venezuela, and there are earthquakes. Yeah. So, things are not, she needs time. So, which happened right at the beginning of my launch time. So, and, but she's okay. Her family's okay. So I'm working Instagram and starting to understand that more, and it's starting to get some traction. So that's great. And I have a 22-year-old who's going to help me with that because she knows all about it. And she and her friends are going to be brand ambassadors for me this weekend, going to some Gen Z parties.
Okay.
So that I, wouldn't exactly fit into. And so all of that's happening. I have to put together a proposal for a small group of investors. And not for a lot of money, but for an amount of money to sort of, push me ahead in Sacramento, so with more advertising money, and also for San Jose. And that's the other thing is I'm starting to build a following now in San Jose, which is a city about 3 hours from here. And it's a tech city. So there should be faster adoption. So anyways, we're going to be scaling like right away.
Yeah.
And so that'll be really good testing as well. So yeah, I mean, everything's moving forward. It's just a matter of getting it out to them in all different places. So they finally feel the level of trust about joining. That's the big thing, Jaya, is that they have to see it here and here and here and there for it to build trust, to join, because this is new for this city. There isn't very much like this. Whereas in New York, San Francisco, Los Angeles, they have other apps that do this.
Okay.
And which actually makes it easier to have an app there because you don't have to do all of the trust education. You can just, piggyback off of their advertising, right? So I have to do so much explaining all the time of what it does. And so that's why this is going to be our soft opening for Sacramento. It's going to soft opening. And then I think it's just going to, all of a sudden, it's going to, as we say here, it's going to pop off. I think we're going to see that.
Okay.
Okay. Arun? I need, I'm doing t-shirts, doing some t-shirts and with a QR code on it. And chat told me that I need to do a redirect so that, and it said that only my developer could do that. That's why I wanted to ask him or you, so a redirect so that I wouldn't have to change out a QR code, and go to the printer again for more t-shirts with a different QR code. That doing a redirect means that we can just change that code in the redirect, and that same QR code would then go to a different place if we wanted it to.
Okay.
Are you familiar with that?
QR code, sorry?
Arun?
Yes, Lori. You already have the QR code?
Do I have the QR code?
Yeah.
No. I mean, I thought I couldn't make it. I'll send you guys the design for the shirt. And that's just a mock-up, what you'll see. It's not the real QR code. I thought I needed the redirect before
I can generate a QR code for our website and then I can send it to you.
Okay, and then I use that then to make the QR code.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
No, you can just directly print it.
Right, but if you do it off the site and it's a redirect code, then I take that URL and I make a QR code from that URL, right?
Yeah, I'll share the QR code link itself, so you can just click on it. It will generate the barcode. You can just print it on the t-shirt.
Okay, but I still need to make the code itself, the graphic.
No, that's what I'm saying. Graph will be made. I will make the graph and I'll just send the graph.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. The Arun, do you have questions for me?
we need to discuss on the landing page, right, Lori, for the launch?
Oh, yeah, it's, well, I mean, we're only a week away now, so does it even matter?
Okay.
I mean, is it even worth the time doing? Because right now what I'm doing, but it's not all just the fact that we didn't get it done. I've been learning, and a lot of these, so Jaya, there's, what's called cold leads and warm leads, right? Warm leads are people that you've been talking to, they've already they've been getting my emails, whatever. It's a warm lead. Cold leads are people that don't know anything about it, and you talk to them once, or they get it off a QR code. And I'm realizing that sending cold leads to our site, I don't think that's going to work, right, for this business. I think the vast majority is going to go probably funnel through Instagram and other forms of social media. So I've been now directing people to Instagram, that I've been talking to over the last, weeks, Instagram, and obviously the event site. But I've been sending to Instagram so that they start to warm up to it. And there's the how-to on there and all those different posts. And then I can start to do promotions to them to get them over to the site.
Yeah.
Does that make sense to you guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, look.
So I don't think we, need to do it now, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. What we might want to do, Arun, is we could always put a form up for that first, month, for our first month, and offer, if you join through this form or something,
It's struggle.
then, or just putting up there saying, use this code, and then we get the first month free or whatever.
Yeah, we can do that. We can add a code in our cloud, and then we can just call it like we are doing for beta. We need to remove beta while we are putting the app in the prod. Yeah.
And then that way, anybody that gets over there, there'll be more incentive maybe to join, because I'm starting to get that in my networking this last week when I was pushing the event and Social 6. And they were talking, I had it a few times of, well, do we get to try it for free?
Yeah.
So I was getting that a few times. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We can add that.
But the thing is, what's nice is that we can have that up there just for a little bit amount of time, and then just, obviously just get rid of it. Not the code itself, but the thing telling people that they could do that. Yeah. Okay. I was going to, let's see. Let me see here.
Final is on the 19th.
Okay, let's see, files.
On July 13th, which is 19 days after Missy's birthday, and 19 means beginnings born from endings. Yeah. People think Halloween is gonna win.
Okay. I'm going to make a couple tweaks to it, but I'm sending you the shirt, and the color of the shirt is too dark. So, and the Curiosity Wins, I'm going to make just a little bit smaller. But what do you guys think? Do you like the hook, Curiosity Wins?
Yeah.
It just needed to be something that would make them go, what does that mean? Right? What is that? Best that I could do without spending thousands of dollars for an agency. And then, Jaya, adults here, young adults here, young millennials and Gen Zs, they love stickers.
Oh,
It's a thing. Okay. They love stickers.
okay.
And so that's what the back of the shirt is portraying is, a couple stickers. That's why it's there.
Okay. That's right.
It's funny, what's old is new again because we love stickers. I am so old, but we love stickers.
Mm.
And when we were kids and young teens.
Mm.
And so just but when my kid stickers were not that big,
Okay.
and he's 27 now.
Mm.
And it's all come back again.
Okay.
It's old is new. Hey, Arun,
Yeah, yes, Lori.
do you like the shirt?
Which one, Lori? Shirt?
The shirt.
You showed me?
It's on the group chat.
I didn't check the group chat.
Of course you didn't.
Let me check.
Yeah.
I didn't load it for me. Now it's loading.
What's that?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, the shirt's too dark. The color will be a little lighter. That's just chat did that. So that's just a mock-up.
Yeah.
But just needed to find something that people might ask about,
Yeah, okay, Lori.
You don't care. It's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, Lori.
Well, but I'm sending you guys one, so you gotta you
I
gotta
saw
like
that.
it enough, right?
At the end of the day, it's your decision, right?
What's
Whether we
that?
like it or not. At the end of the day, it's your decision, is whether we like it or not.
I know, but you're part of my team, man.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just Lori.
Yeah. So, okie dokie. Is there anything else?
Not from my side. I'll send you the bill, Lori, today for the mobile app.
The build. Okay. Yeah. And
Yeah.
then that little redirect.
Yeah, we will discuss that. Redirect. I need to check with you where we need to redirect the.
Okay.
Yeah.
I need that soon though, because I need to get these done.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And Jaya, you know what you're working on?
I will test that again fully. That social 6 friend.
Okay, so you fully test and then you'll and then you'll see what questions we need for the chatbot.
Yeah.
Okay. And then Monday, Arun will go through Jira.
Yeah.
Okay. And so all right. And guys, thank you so much. We had like the big bug, a short time before launching, and you guys did it. So I'm very, very appreciative. Thank you.
Thanks, Lori.
Thanks, Lord.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.